Hello teacher and my friends. This night I will explain you about my project. It's about a development of low density polyethylene composites made with rice husks. It is a good chemistry project that I have ever done. This research is everything of me. I feel my care and concentration in this. In the research, I have learned how to use scientific method and thinking in a step. Okay, I'm ready to show you. Low density polyethylene or LDPE is widely used at present despite the decreasing availability of raw material, petroleum. This project aims at developing composite plastic from low density polyethylene and rice husks in order to reduce the amount of polyethylene used. Different proportions of rice husks, namely 10, 20, 30, and 40% weight by weight, were used with 1% weight by weight white oil and LDPE. An internal mixer was used to mix polymer with rice husks before molding into shape by an injection molding machine. 4 types of tests were conducted on the composites. These were impact resistance, percentage strain at break, tensile strain, and Young modulus of elasticity. It was found that with increasing proportion of rice husks in composites, impact resistance, percentage strain at break, and tensile strain decreased while Young modulus increased. The proportion which was found to be the most suitable was the composite plastic with 10% rice husks. Yes, it is finished for my project. At last, thanks Sinpakon University for the kind place, and thanks my friends. Thank you. Goodbye.